How to change the password of the FTP account in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Website and Domains interface, click on the domain name to which the FTP account is associated. Then click the FTP Access option. There is a list of FTP accounts. Click the FTP account whose password you want to change. Either you can enter the password twice in the given text input boxes or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click the Generate button. Then show the password to copy and save it. It's ready now. Click OK. Success! The password of the FTP account has been changed. Thank you for watching.